Okay, guys, as you might have seen the thumbnail and the title, we're going to be actually decoding a test paper. Okay, so let's get right into this scientific video. What's the aim of this video? The aim of this video on the task is to investigate which surface will give a tennis ball the highest bounce. Okay, as the name suggests, you might be wondering, okay, so we're going to be bouncing the ball on different surfaces to find out which ball will give the highest bounce, right? And that's exactly what we're going to do. So this paper that I'm going to show is written by me, and it's a full mark example and how you can get full marks too. So to show your support for me sharing this video for you guys, please like this video, leave a comment, and share it to as many people as you can so that you can get encouragement. So let's get into the video. Hypothesis. What did I write for hypothesis? If the hardest surface is concrete, then the ball will bounce, then the highest bounce recorded on concrete where the ball is bounced from a height of 1 meter. Okay, now the variables. Independent variables, what you will change, dependent variables, what you'll observe, and controlled variables, what you're going to keep the same. So, what will you change? You're changing the surface that tennis ball collides with. And what are you measuring, or what are you keeping the same? Not measuring. Yeah, what are you measuring? Not keeping the same. The bounce side of the ball. And what will you keep the same? Same brand of ball, height from where the ball is dropped, the person dropping and measuring the ball, ambient temperature, the same force amount applied. So these are all examples. Now, we need to give more. Now, tennis balls. What are their risks? This is risks, guys. Not sure why it's cropped out this bad, but this is identify the risks. The risk is tennis ball. Risk, hazard, this is precaution. So the hazard is the tennis ball may bounce too high and hit your face. So keep a safe distance away from the ball if dropping. So surface, if you stumble over the surface while conducting the experiments, stay steady on your feet and look carefully before you step. If any accidents occur, immediately inform adults. Steel ruler. You may cut yourself using the sharp sides of the steel ruler. So be careful when using the ruler and go slow. Now, what did the results show? What I've written is the results from the experiment show that the tennis ball bounces highest on the concrete surface, followed by tiles, carpet, lawn. The concrete surface, which had a result of 56.33 centimeters, followed by surfaces such as tiles, which gave us 51.66 centimeters, carpet with an average of 32.66, and the lawn providing us with 26 centimeter average. These averages are based on the 3 trials conducted on each surface. All the surfaces gave similar results on all their 3 trials, thus proving the experiment to be reliable. The surfaces, concrete, tiles, and carpet provided 2 of its trials with the same result, and the third one varying by 1 centimeter, and the grass surface remained stagnant throughout all 3 trials. The tennis ball bounced highest on the concrete surface because it was the firmest surface of all, allowing tennis balls to release more elastic potential energy than on any other surface, therefore making it the surface with the highest bounce. So this is what you're supposed to write for what your results show. Okay, now scrolling down, how do these results relate to your background research? So I've not included the background research here, but let me just say, the results look really similar to the background research. In the background research, I got to know that the harder the surface is, the less energy it will absorb, hence the ball will bounce higher. So that's all you need to write. Then, are there any results that are unusual? Okay, so explain any errors that might have occurred. Errors are no professional equipment / accessories such as sensors or monitors have been used. Instead, I used my brother and several slow motion cameras to monitor the bounce height of the tennis ball on different surfaces. There's a possible chance of human error while observing the reading of the bounce height. Now, how can you prevent these errors? So, firstly, use an instrument that has more minute measurements. This way, we can reduce the degree of error. Secondly, I would use professional equipment such as sensors and monitors so that you can check exactly what the height the ball bounced to on its first bounce. These preventions will reduce the chance of human error and help us acquire accurate results required for the experiment. Now, the reliability and stuff, yes, they are there, but we do not need to know that. Yeah, okay. So, we only did 5 minutes. Let's do more. Okay, guys. Was enough data collected? No. Was each trial consistent? Well, the experiment is reliable and consistent given the fact that the trials are conducted on each surface 3 times. So, the trials on each surface gave a result that maximum varied by 1 centimeter. So, that's the answer. And list at least 3 ways how you can improve your experiments. 3 ways that I said were mechanical device which releases the tennis ball at the same pressure, conduct all experiments at an ambient temperature, and use new tennis balls for different surfaces. So, yeah, that's one thing that you can say. Then, restate the aim of the experiment. So, the experiment aimed to investigate which surface will give a tennis ball the highest bounce. Then, describe the major findings from this experiment. So, it was found that the tennis ball bounced the highest on concrete, so that's what you should be writing. And for the last question, state your hypothesis and determine if it has been rejected or supported. So my hypothesis stated that if the hardest surface is concrete, then the highest bounce will be recorded on concrete when the tennis ball is dropped from a height of 1 meter. The results from this investigation indicate that the tennis ball bounces the highest on the concrete surface when dropped from a height of 1 meter. So guys, with this, I hope I have helped you with the test. So do ensure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sukesh Education. You can search it up in Google, Sukesh Education, but you're already watching the video on my channel, right? You're already watching it on my channel. So guys, thanks for your support, and with this, I'll be gone.